Aphorism 63. That is the action of medicine. Medicinal actions may be monobasic, bibasic, but homeopathic medicine acts like a bibasic actions. The first phase is primary actions, and second is secondary actions. So bibasic actions. Among that bibasic, what is primary actions? Primary actions. Usually exams want to know the language of the books. So here is every agent. The first one is agent. Animal doesn't say medicines. These actions applicable in not only medicinal field, in any field. These primary actions. Every agent that acts on the vitamin. Any agent that acts on the vitamin. Every agent that acts on the vitamin. Every medicine deranges more or less vitamins and causes certain alterations of health of the individuals for a longer or shorter. Longer period that produces chronic disease, shorter period that produces the acute disease. Longer or shorter period. This is termed primary actions. Primary actions. Although a product of the medicinal and vital force conjointly, vital force conjointly. So primary action is the conjoint action, means action of the medicine and the vital force conjointly. It is principally due to the former power. Former means medicinal power. Medicine is the active role and vital force is a passive role. Vital force is passive. The vital force the medicine जैसे जम भावे चलाना पड़े वो भावे चले. So suppose this is the vital force. Vital force is like a stage. Passive. He sees. Now medicinal force, vital force now healthy suppose. Healthy. We are going to talk about suppose unhealthy human being. Now we give medicine, some medicine. To that agent we give, apply and exciting the vital force. Medicines cold produce, heart rate in symptoms of produce. So that medicines when given, the healthy vital force means there is no sensation, no function, power of self-preservation. Normal sensation, normal function, and power of self-preservation. Everything is normal. Now when we give medicines, the medicine change the vital force, give some deviation from normal to abnormal, and produce some sensation, some functions. That's abnormal sensation, abnormal functions, or lack of self-preservation in case of disease. So there is some changes. That changes produces, and this is called primary action. So primary action is the action of the medicine on the vital force. Medicinal action is the active role, and vital force action is passive force. Passive force. So according to therapeutic law of nature, so there is in our field of homeopathy there is three dynamics. Vital force itself dynamics. Now medicine itself dynamics. So medicinal dynamics acts on the vital dynamics, produces disease. Similarly, during and vital force is unintelligent vital force. Unintelligent. See, it has no influence to come to the abnormal to normal states. So it requires another dynamics. That is disease dynamics. Suppose disease dynamics acts on the medicinal dynamics, produces disease. So it requires another dynamics, that is medicinal dynamics. So three dynamics: disease dynamics, vital dynamics, medicinal dynamics. Now the primary action means medicine and vital force, and it is conjointly works. That's why primary action. Another name is conjoint action. So usually examiner asks what is conjoint action means. You have to say the primary action. Conjoint action means it is same as primary actions. Conjoint action, action of medicine on the vital force. So that is called primary actions. पहले बुझाएं जिज्ञेस करें you say this same word. Every agent that acts on the vitality, every medicine deranges more or less vital force and causes a certain alterations in the health of the individuals, a longer or shorter period. This is termed primary actions. Primary actions. Although a product of the medicinal and vital power conjointly, it is principally due to the former powers. Now, what is secondary actions? Secondary actions, according to Newton law, every action is equal and opposite actions. Okay? So, a action, if it is more, reaction should be reverse. action is optimum, reaction will be zero. So it's like a secondary action is like a reaction of the vital force. So to its actions, our vital force endeavours to oppose its own energy. This resistant action is a property, is indeed an automatic action of our life preserving power, which goes by the name of secondary actions or counteractions. So secondary action, another name is counteractions. Secondary actions or counteractions. So primary action against this is secondary actions or counteractions. Secondary actions, and even here also says counteraction. So it is the counter of the primary actions. Primary action, if it is more, then secondary actions will be more. Suppose in that primary and secondary action occurs in homeopathy also as well as antibody also. But difference is primary actions, second